and I'm really pleased that Alex Neil, our Cabinet Secretary, has agreed that he will present the awards. Now, these awards represent another opportunity to celebrate and recognise the tremendous contributions of our NHS staff throughout Greater Glasgow and Clyde. They are providing first-class service to patients, or there may be some people here today who will be receiving awards who are providing first-class support services. And we see these as being absolutely critically complementary and important. Now, we had 156 nominations, and to be nominated by your peers or your patients, I think says something really special. It says something special about the depth of dedication and professionalism of our staff. For the 16 who were selected by the team of judges, it is really something of the very highest recognition, and I'm proud here to be able to congratulate all of them. I've met them informally outside and had a great rapport, a real sense of their commitment, their interest, and their very positive sense of wanting to support their patients and support the services. This is one of a number of events that we've had over the last 6 weeks celebrating the contribution of staff. The largest one was last month at Glasgow University, where 250 staff members, all of whom had done something special, gone above and beyond. And this is a real opportunity just to highlight some of those. Now, before I hand over to Alex Neil, I just want to thank Scottish Health Innovations Limited and Keith McKenna, who's here, who have been joint sponsors of the awards and have played a real part in helping us develop the format and then making the very difficult choices when it comes to judging. Now, I'm going to hand over to Alex Neil, who will say a few words, and then we'll get on with the presentations. Alex.
Thank you very much indeed, Andrew, and welcome everybody to this award ceremony this morning, which precedes the public meeting on the performance of Greater Glasgow and Clyde Health Board. Can I first of all congratulate all those who were nominated for an award, and particularly congratulate all those who are actually going to receive an award. As Andrew said, it's a great achievement indeed. I had the pleasure of attending the Daily Record Scottish Government Health Awards 2 weeks ago, and at that Greater Glasgow and Clyde again was well represented as well. And that, I think, is a testimony to the fantastic work and the innovation that's going on throughout Greater Glasgow Clyde Health Board, and also to the tremendous performance in many parts of the health board area, not just in the hospital sector, but beyond that, not just amongst doctors, but amongst allied professionals, nurses, midwives, the whole range of other people as well. So I would like to congratulate everybody and wish them all the best for the future, and now hand over their awards to them.
Thanks very much, Alan. Now, you've all got, I think, on your seats a copy of the brochure which identifies all the award winners. So I'm not going to give an account of all the amazing work. That is in the brochure. And what I'm simply going to do is call out the award winners, the team, and then the people who will come up and receive the awards. So if that's okay, I think we'll just get underway. So first of all, we have for clinical practice, specialist radiographer team, and we'll have Lorraine White and Lindsay Devlin. Staying with clinical practice, practice, we come to the Virtual Fracture Clinic, and to receive the award are Lech Rymovchevsky and Scott Taylor.
Come forward, sir. And put your hand on the trophy. Yours after all. That's all I do, though. Perfect, thank you.
Now we come to the next category, improving health. The first team up are Don't Be Left Out in the Cold, No Smoking campaign, Susan Clougherty and Alan Curley. Staying with improving health, Frank McGuire, one of our Healthy Working Lives men. Frank.
Another trophy, Frank. Yeah, another one. This one's no ball, so thank you. Thank you.
Now we come on to 3 individual nursing awards. First up is Emma Sharp.
Thank you.
And next up is Karina Bowie.
Thank you.
And the third award winner in nursing is Kathy Taylor.
Smile here. Thank you.
And now we come to the category of patient-centred care, where there are 6 award winners, starting off with the domestic team at Glasgow Royal Infirmary, represented by Claire Boylan and Carol Kennaway. And then Nicola McMichael.
That's great. Right, Nicola, right here. Nice smile, Nicola. Thank you.
And now we come to Ward 24 at the Southern General Hospital, represented by Anne Morrison, Wendy McClintock and Seamus McDermott.
That's good. Yes, well done. Good, everybody here. That's it. Remember this. That's it. Smile straight to camera. Thank you.
And then Glasgow Royal Infirmary, Ward 45, represented by Jackie Bellew and Carol Ann Watson.
There we go. That's smashing. Nice smiles. That's great. Lovely.
And now we come to the category of using resources better, and for the second year running we have the NHS Greater Glasgow and Clyde Energy team, Samuel Selwyn and Alan Gallagher.
That's a great project, and that's great. Good. Now you. That's great. Nice smiles. Perfect. Thank you.
And now we come to two amazing award winners, two volunteers whose services are hugely regarded by patients, by families and by staff wherever they're working. And the first of these two volunteers to come up is John O'Byrne. And the second volunteer award and the final award winner today is Thomas Whitelaw.
Thanks a lot.
That brings to an end the handing over the presentation of awards, and I'd just like to thank Alex Neil, Cabinet Secretary, very much for agreeing to take part in this ahead of the annual review. I would like to add further congratulations to the award winners and thank you all for coming along to this part of the programme. Now, those of you who are going to stay for the annual review, just stay where you are. We're going to do some rearrangement of the platform here so that we get tables up on the platform, and we'll probably now have a break of 5 or 10 minutes.